let's start again. Once upon a time, some sailors went to search for a treasure on Coco Island, which was far away. So they loaded up their boat, pulled up the anchor, and got ready to set sail.
Everything looks ship-shape.
Yeah.
Okay, everybody. Are you ready to sail to Coco Island to look for treasure?
Yeah! Let's go! Where's Stella, Barney?
Oh, I think we'll be seeing her before long.
It really feels like we're out on the ocean, Barney.
Oh, it's fun to pretend, isn't it?
Yes!
Let's go on an adventure, a sailing adventure. There's a great big world to explore.
Let's go on an adventure, a sailing adventure, for fun, surprises, and more.
We can make believe we're sailing on a sailing ship. Or pretend we're climbing a mountain. We can go anywhere.
Let's take a trip. Let's go on an adventure, a sailing adventure. There's a great big world to explore. Let's go on an adventure, a sailing adventure, for fun, surprises, and more.
We can make believe we're flying in a hot air balloon. Or pretend that we're in a rocket. We can go anywhere.
Even the moon. Let's go on an adventure, a sailing adventure. There's a great big world to explore. Let's go on an adventure, a sailing adventure, for fun, surprises, and more. Let's go on an adventure, a sailing adventure, for fun, surprises, and more.
Yay! When will we be there, Barney?
Oh, the island is far away, Baby Bop. We'll have to sail all day and all night.
Oh, may I drive the boat, please?
Oh, sure, Baby Bop.
Oh, goody. I need to put down my blanket.
Oh, okay.
There.
Here you go.
Thank you, Barney.
You're welcome.
Oh, I'm driving the boat. I'm driving the boat. Which way do I go, Barney?
Oh, I'd better check. Kathy, may we use your compass, please?
Sure.
Thank you. Here's the map. Take a look here. Okay. Oh, yep. The needle is pointing right in the direction we need to go. Just steer straight ahead, Baby Bop.
Aye, aye.
It's a good thing we have a compass.
Oh, did you know there's another way to tell which way you're going on the ocean?
No.
You can look at the stars.
The stars?
That's right. Sailors use the stars to tell where they are. See? There they are now.
Oh,
Look at that really bright one.
It's so pretty.
look, Barney.
I love the way they twinkle.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Oh, may we sing it again, Barney, please?
Sure, Baby Bop.
Goody.
Here we go.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Are we there yet, Barney?
Not yet, but I think we're getting close.
Goody.
Hey, everybody. I think I see an island.
Oh, an island, really?
My compass says we're headed in the right direction.
Then I bet that's Coco Island.
Coco Island!
Be there soon.
We're almost there! Yeah. What's happening?
Oh, it's starting to get stormy, and that makes big waves on the ocean.
Wow, Barney! Look at these coconuts!
Ooh,
We must be on Coco Island. Maybe we'll find some treasure here.
maybe so, Carlos. Ooh, I guess the storm blew us here. It sure was windy.
Yeah, I lost my boat in a bottle. It must have fallen overboard.
I lost my compass.
I lost my binoculars. I guess they went overboard too. I lost my camera.
And I lost my blankie.
Oh, I know you're all sad that you lost your things, but maybe they'll wash up on the beach.
At least we're here, and we're all okay.
Yeah. This is Coco Island, right?
Well, I think so. Well, I lost the map in the storm too, but it looks like an island. Very far away from the homes we know is a very sunny place where it's fun to go. You can't get here with a car or train, but when you look around, you'll be glad you came.
This place is called an island and it's plain to see. It's got an ocean and a beach and greenery. Imagine all the fun things that we'll find out as we see what an island is all about.
It's a little bit of brown with water all around, a mountain in the middle and a jungle-y sound.
Birds and a breeze and the coconut trees. That's what an island is.
You can gab with a crab who lives in the sand, or wave to a butterfly as big as your hand.
And if you get hungry for a tasty meal, there are bunches of bananas that have appeal.
It's a little bit of ground with water all around, a mountain in the middle and a jungle-y sound. Birds and a breeze and the coconut trees. That's what an island is. It's a little bit of ground with water all around, a mountain in the middle and a jungle-y sound. Birds and a breeze and the coconut trees. That's what an island is.
Oh, that's what an island is. One more time now.
That's what an island is.
Hey, where's Baby Bob?
Come here, everybody! Look what I found!
That's Baby Bop. Maybe she found the treasure. I think she's over this way. We're coming, Baby Bop. We're coming. Hold on.
Oh, hurry, everybody! Look, a little house.
You're right, Baby Bop.
Do you think that someone lives here? It looks like it.
Fast! Who goes there? Whoa!
Who said that?
Who goes there? That sounds like a parrot.
I think it's in there. Let's take a look. Hey, be careful.
Oh, hello! Hello, pretty parrot. Hello! Oh, he talked to me.
Oh, he sure is friendly.
What's your name?
Davy Jones. What's your name?
Baby Bob.
Baby Bob. Baby Bob.
Wonder why he was covered up.
Nap time. Nap time.
Oh,
Oh, well, I guess we better let you get back to sleep.
good idea. Nighty-night.
I wonder who's living here.
And how long they've been here.
Maybe it's somebody really old. Yeah, it could be an old man.
An old man with whiskers.
You mean like Michael Finnegan?
Yeah.
There was an old man named Michael Finnegan. He had whiskers on his chin again. They grew out and then grew in again. Poor old Michael Finnegan begin again.
There was an old man named Michael Finnegan. He went fishing with a grin again. Caught a fish and threw it in again.
Poor old Michael Finnegan begin again.
Oh, poor old Michael Finnegan.
There was an old man named Michael Finnegan. He got fat and then got thin again. When he stopped, he had to begin again.
Poor old Michael Finnegan begin again. There was an old man named Michael Finnegan. We'll never stop if we begin again. This song makes my poor head spin again. Goodbye, Michael Finnegan.
My head is spinning.
Well, whoever it is, I bet the person who lives here knows something about the treasure.
Yeah, we should try to find him. Or her.
Good idea. Let's go.
treasure could be here.
It could be anywhere, Carlos.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Oh, look! Pretty!
That's really neat, Baby Bop. Here's another pretty rock. Look how it sparkles. I think it's called quartz.
That's right, Nan.
Wow, there are cool rocks everywhere.
Oh, there are.
We see a lot of rocks 'cause they're all around. There are big ones and little ones on the ground. There are dark ones, light ones, even green and white ones. We like rocks.
Oh, look at Barney!
They come in different shapes, some round, some square. Now I wonder if a rock could grow some hair. That's a silly question, but we don't care because we like rocks. Now if we played them like instruments, I guess we could say that we were in a rock band. Hey, hey, hey! I'm glad we found the rocks, 'cause all we can say is that we like rocks.
Hey, listen. Something's in the bushes.
Hello? Is somebody there?
Let's take a look, Barney.
Okay, but let's be careful.
Oh, okay. What is it?
There's no one here.
Oh.
Hey, look! Footprints! Footprints! They go that way. Let's go take a look. That might be the treasure.
Follow me!
Those footprints.
Oh, here's one.
The footprints end right here.
I wonder what happened.
Whoa.
Hey, the parrot's gone.
Huh?
Someone must have let him out.
Hello? Is this what you're looking for?
Hi, Stella. How you doing?
I'm pretending to be someone else.
Oh, my. Who are you?
I'm Fancy LaRue, the pirate.
A pirate? Wow, neat.
Your hat is funny.
It is?
Yes, it has 1, 2, 3 corners.
You're right.
Oh, it does, doesn't it?
My hat, it has 3 corners. 3 corners has my hat. And had it not 3 corners, it would not be my hat.
Yes, that's true.
Mine, it has 3 corners. 3 corners has mine. And had it not 3 corners, it would not be mine. Mine, it has corners. Corners has mine. And had it not corners, it would not be mine.
Oh, good.
Mine, it has mine. And had it not, it would not be mine.
Okay, the whole thing now.
My hat, it has 3 corners. 3 corners has my hat. And had it not 3 corners, it would not be my hat.
Did you come here to look for the treasure, Stella? Or Fancy?
Yes, I did. And I think I know how to find it.
You do, huh?
I found this note here. And it says, pieces of an old boat will lead you to the treasure. Are you ready to look now?
Sure. Let's get started.
Bye-bye. Good luck.
What are we looking for?
The book parts.
Oh,
Hey, look at this.
Oh,
It's a porthole.
a porthole, a porthole! What's a porthole?
oh, That's what you call a window on a boat.
Oh. Maybe we're supposed to look through the porthole.
Dear. See anything?
I think I see some more boat stuff.
We're getting closer to the treasure box, I can feel.
It looks like a great big egg.
That's right. X marks the spot.
You mean the treasure's here? I bet it's right under that egg.
Let's take a look.
Oh, goody. Oh, a treasure chest.
Looks heavy.
Oh, goody.
It's a good treasure.
Oh, let's open it. 1, 2, 3. Look, everybody, my coffin. All right, my boat in a bottle. My camera, it looks good as new. My blankie. I never thought I'd see these again. How did our things get here?
I found them washed up on the beach, and I saved them for you. I put them in the chest because I thought a treasure hunt might be fun.
Thank you. What about the real treasure? Did you find it?
No, but that's okay, because I, Fancy LaRue, the pirate, found something even better.
What's that?
Fancy.
New friends. So, after they found the treasure, they sailed home and lived happily ever after. The end.